Hi there, welcome back to Offline Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Daily Story, which is basically an email and text messaging marketing automation personalized for every customer journey. So, straight away, we can see that the headline is quite clear, and the sub headline also clearly explains what they do in more depth. So a prospect will be very clear and how it works. And if you scroll down, they've got more explanations about how they're able to transform the business data and basically turn into a blueprint for personalized automation, right? And basically this helps for the journey to become more personalized for each user. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that they go on to explain more about all the tools that they've got and how you can conduct your existing business tools as well to Daily Story to create a 360-degree view from your customer journey. Now, scrolling down, we can see that they are basically offering solutions for many types of businesses like franchise, marketing, retail and e-commerce, gyms, fitness studios, non-profits, marketing agencies, and even custom enterprise integrations. Now, here we can see a lot of testimonials from people that have previously used this software. And the beautiful thing is that they're actually video testimonials, so they look even more
Signed up for
credible.
Daily Story because
And so this is really powerful from this business to build a positive impact perspective in the
Using Daily
prospects'
Story,
minds. Okay. And the beautiful thing here is that they've got a little bit of a pricing here going on, price information, but I will check the pricing page in just a sec. Also, they are asking you to get your email address to get started. What I would say is potentially adding a lead magnet to encourage the prospect to actually sign up. Even a freebie or a discount might make the opt-in rates a lot higher than they currently are in terms of conversions. They could have also added a frequently asked questions section in order to handle any objection that the prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. I'll put actually a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins, like we said before. If we go and check on the pricing page, we can see that it's quite clear. And if we scroll down, we can see all the features included. So the pricing page is good because it's very transparent and the prospect will be able to make a very informed decision without too much trouble. Other than that, I think this is everything for this video. So I hope you guys like this. If you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.